OITE Arkfeld UV 365NM. Step into the future of lighting with the OITE Arkfeld UV 365NM. This isn't just any flashlight, it's a marvel of modern technology, designed for those who crave precision, power, and versatility. Harnessing the power of UV light, the Arkfeld UV 365NM reveals what the naked eye can't see. Whether you're inspecting currency, verifying documents, or embarking on a nighttime adventure, this flashlight ensures you never miss a detail. Its 365nm wavelength is meticulously calibrated to provide optimal UV illumination, making every hidden mark, stain, or feature stand out with unparalleled clarity. But the Arkfeld UV 365 is more than just its UV capabilities. Crafted with OITE's signature attention to detail, it boasts a robust design that's built to last. Its ergonomic grip, intuitive control, and durable construction make it a joy to use, even in the most challenging conditions. For professionals, hobbyists, and adventurers alike, the OITE Arkfeld UV 365NM is a game changer. It's not just about lighting up the dark, it's about exploring the unseen, understanding the intricate details, and always staying one step ahead. Zune Low-2 Survival Shovel Multitool 28-in-1. Venture into the great outdoors with the confidence that you're equipped for any challenge with the Zune Low-2 Survival Shovel Multitool. This isn't just a shovel, it's a 28-in-1 marvel of design and functionality, tailored for the modern adventurer. Crafted with precision, this multi-tool boasts an array of features that ensures you're ready for anything, from digging and chopping to opening bottles and breaking glass. The Zune Low-2 has got you covered. Its robust construction promises durability, while its ergonomic design ensures ease of use, even in the most demanding conditions. But the magic of the Zune Low-2 doesn't stop at its functionality. Its compact design means it fits snugly into your backpack, ensuring you're always prepared without being weighed down. Whether you're setting up camp, building a shelter, or simply enjoying the beauty of nature, this multi-tool promises to be your trusty sidekick. Gerber Chunk Solid State Prime Multi-Tool. Dive into the world of compact versatility with the Gerber Chunk Solid State Prime Multi-Tool, a 6-in-1 marvel that effortlessly marries convenience with functionality. At the heart of this sleek design lies a treasure trove of essential tools: a pry bar for those stubborn lids, a wire stripper for electrical tasks, a nail puller, and both small and large flathead drivers for all your screwing needs. And let's not forget the ever-handy bottle opener, ensuring you're always ready for a refreshing break. Despite its array of tools, the Gerber Chunk Solid State Prime Multi-Tool is the epitome of portability. Measuring a mere 3.9 inches and weighing in at a lightweight 2.4 ounces, it's designed to slip seamlessly into pockets or attach effortlessly to keychains. Crafted from robust stainless steel, it promises not just longevity, but a dash of style, thanks to its unique laser-etched pattern. Thoughtful additions like a pocket clip and a key ring lanyard hole ensures it's always within arm's reach, ready to tackle the next task. But what truly sets this tool apart is its unmatched usability. Whether you're opening bottles, stripping wires, or tackling minor prying tasks, the Gerber Chunk has you covered. Its diverse driver sizes further amplify its utility, making it an indispensable companion for everyday challenges. Offering such a plethora of functions at an attractive price point, it stands as a testament to value and functionality. And if the buzz around this tool is anything to go by, it's clear that it struck a chord with users, garnering accolades for its practicality, sturdiness, and compact nature. Black Diamond Equipment Storm 500R Headlamp. Prepare to illuminate your adventures with the radiant glow of the Black Diamond Equipment Storm 500R Headlamp. This isn't just a headlamp, it's a beacon of innovation and practicality that transforms outdoor experiences. Imagine having a headlamp that's not just a light source, but an orchestra of versatility. The Storm 500R boasts an impressive range of settings, from full-strength modes for up-close tasks to distance modes that pierce through the darkness. Dimming, strobe, and even specialized red, green, and blue night vision modes add a symphony of options. But that's not all. The brightness memory feature ensures you pick up right where you left off, even after turning it off. And with the Power Tap technology, shifting between full power and dimmed levels is as seamless as tapping a key. Comfort is at the heart of this masterpiece. The elastic headband, crafted from reprieve fiber, not only caresses your skin, but also stands as a testament to eco-consciousness, incorporating recycled materials. It's more than just a headlamp. It's a symbol of supporting small businesses, making every adventure count. Technological brilliance is embedded in the Storm 500R's battery-powered LED light source. Housed in durable plastic with a sleek black finish, its compact dimensions make it your lightweight companion. Emitting a brilliant 500 lumens and boasting waterproof capabilities, it's ready to accompany you on camping and hiking escapades. What's the verdict from adventurers who've embraced this brilliance? With an average rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars from 180 ratings, the applause is loud. Users celebrate its extended battery life, adaptable brightness options, and the convenience of the multicolored LEDs. But every melody has its nuances, and a minor note of caution surfaces about the turbo mode sensitivity. Survive Permanent Match. Introducing the Survive Permanent Match, a pack of 5 emergency fire starters that ignite a new era of fire making. Forget traditional matchsticks. These innovative matches are your trusty sidekick for igniting flames, no matter the situation. Imagine matches that defy convention. Creative and compact, these matches stand as a testament to modern ingenuity. At approximately 2.5 inches in length, 0.75 inches in width, and 0.63 inches in thickness, they're small but mighty, weighing a mere 0.5 ounces. Housed in rugged black ABS plastic and sleek silver stainless steel, they're a blend of durability and style. Refillable and reusable, each match is a spark of sustainability, lasting an astonishing 15,000 strikes. Crafted from a magnesium steel alloy, the flint rod ignites with a promise of reliability. These matches dance with liquid fuel, a simple refill that ignites their fiery performance. Ronson or Ronsonol lighter fluid steps up to the plate. Convenience meets versatility with cotton wicks and a keyring, perfect for attaching to your essentials. Windproof, waterproof, and weatherproof, these matches fear no conditions. From campfires to grills, lanterns to pits, they're your fire-starting companions, come rain or shine. But every hero has its nuance. While the Survive Permanent Match shines bright, the process of filling them with fuel might require a delicate touch. Spare wicks and thoughtful instructions come to the rescue, ensuring your flames never flicker out. Roadfare Pocket Chainsaw. Introducing the Roadfare Pocket Chainsaw, a 36-inch handsaw that slices through limitations and branches with ease. This isn't just a saw, it's a tool that redefines cutting on the go. Imagine wielding a chainsaw that fits in your pocket. The Roadfare Pocket Chainsaw is a true marvel, designed for adventurers who refuse to be bound by conventional tools. With a length of 36 inches, it's a powerhouse that tames nature's obstacles. Crafted for convenience, this handsaw blends power and portability. Compact enough to stow away, yet packing the strength to take on formidable tasks. With a high carbon steel chain and double-sided teeth, it chews through wood like a hungry beast, leaving nothing but a trail of success. But it's not just about muscle, it's about finesse. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, transforming cutting into an effortless art. Whether you're setting up camp or crafting woodwork, the chainsaw is your dependable companion. Adventure knows no bounds, and the Roadfare Pocket Chainsaw thrives on challenges. From unruly branches to intricate carvings, it adapts to your needs. Camping trips, survival situations, or DIY projects, it's your tool of choice. Yet every story has its chapters of caution. As mighty as this chainsaw is, it's not invincible. Ensuring proper technique and maintenance is crucial to its longevity. A blade guard is your ally, protecting both you and the saw. WEYLAND Bushcraft Settlers Tool. Enter the world of outdoor mastery with the WEYLAND Bushcraft Settlers Tool, a true companion for those who embrace the wilderness. This isn't just a tool, it's a symbol of craftsmanship and self-sufficiency. Imagine a tool that embodies the essence of bushcraft. The WEYLAND Settlers Tool is a testament to the art of survival and resourcefulness. Crafted with a blend of tradition and innovation, it's designed for modern-day pioneers who seek to connect with nature on a deeper level. Versatility is its heartbeat. With a multifunctional design, this tool adapts to various tasks with ease. From crafting shelters and preparing meals, to carving tools and taming the wild, it's a jack of all trades that refuses to be confined by limits. Crafted from high-quality materials, the WEYLAND Settlers Tool is built to last. Its ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip, making every maneuver a fluid motion. The precision in its design showcases the dedication to perfection. But this tool is more than just functionality, it's a piece of history. As you wield it, you tap into the wisdom of generations past, where survival depended on skill and ingenuity. With every strike and cut, you become part of that legacy. VSSL Essentials Kit. Step into the world of preparedness with the VSSL Essentials Kit, a fusion of innovation and survival prowess. These kits aren't just tools, they're your gateway to mastering the great outdoors. Imagine having an entire arsenal of essentials at your fingertips. The VSSL Essentials Kits are a testament to meticulous planning and strategic design. Each kit is a comprehensive solution packed with carefully curated tools that cover a spectrum of needs, from first aid to navigation and beyond. Convenience takes center stage. Compact and portable, these kits slip seamlessly into your backpack, ensuring you're always equipped for the unexpected. No more rummaging for scattered gear. With VSSL, your essentials are organized and within reach. Crafted with precision, each kit is a symphony of quality. From the robust container that houses the tools to the thoughtful arrangement of contents, it's clear that every detail has been considered. LED lights and compasses illuminate your path, while first aid supplies stand as guardians of safety. But these kits are more than just survival tools, they're companions on your journey. Whether you're exploring remote trails, embarking on camping expeditions, or simply embracing the thrill of the unknown, VSSL Essentials Kits elevate your adventure. Yet every masterpiece has its layers. While these kits are designed to excel, it's essential to familiarize yourself with their contents and functionality. Understanding how each tool serves its purpose ensures you're ready for any scenario. ToughBuilt Hawkbill Folding Knife. ToughBuilt Hawkbill Folding Knife is a tool that seamlessly blends functionality with durability. This isn't just a knife, it's a testament to craftsmanship, tailored for those who demand excellence in every task. Imagine a knife that's more than just sharp, it's smart. The Hawkbill blade, with its unique hook design, is crafted for specific tasks like pulling, cutting, or stripping cable insulation. Made from stainless steel with a protective titanium coating, it promises longevity and resistance to corrosion. The beauty of this knife lies not just in its blade, but also in its design. Slim and lightweight, it's built to endure the challenges of the job site while occupying minimal space. Whether it's clipped to a belt or nestled in a pocket, it's always within arm's reach, thanks to its handy belt clip. And with its folding mechanism, safety is paramount. The blade tucks neatly into a rugged 5-inch double-injected plastic handle. ToughBuilt, as a brand, resonates with quality and resilience. This knife, like all their products, stands as a beacon of durability. Crafted from premium materials, it's engineered to thrive in challenging environments. And with a limited lifetime warranty, it's not just a purchase, it's an investment. But what truly sets this knife apart is its innovative flair. The one-handed thumb stud and gravity-style 4-finger flipper ensure swift deployment, enhancing its efficiency. The handle, made from glass-filled nylon fiber, is a fortress for the blade, safeguarding it from accidental drops while ensuring it remains feather-light. Fvtga Night Vision Goggles. These aren't just any binoculars, they're a blend of technology and clarity, designed to bring the night to life. Imagine the thrill of observing wildlife or securing your surroundings with unparalleled clarity. The Fvtga goggles, with adjustable 850 nm IR illuminator and all-optical system, make this dream a reality. Whether it's the darkest night or a dim evening, these binoculars ensure nothing remains hidden. The 3-inch TFT LCD screen is a window to the world, offering clear photos and videos that capture every detail. With a 25mm objective aperture and 5 times digital zoom, the vastness of the night becomes an intimate experience. And speaking of clarity, the 4K Full HD video resolution and 36 million pixel photos ensure every memory is captured in stunning detail. But it's not just about viewing, it's about capturing moments. With modes for photos, videos, and playback, every adventure is just a click away. And with a built-in 4000 mAh lithium-ion rechargeable battery, the night doesn't end until you decide. The Fvtga goggles come ready for action. a neck strap for easy carrying, a 32 gig SD card to store memories, a data cable, and a user manual ensure you're set from the get-go. And with features like motion detection and anti-shake, every capture is a masterpiece. Designed for versatility, these goggles are the perfect companion for camping, wildlife observation, and even security surveillance.